shoot. Go. Get away.
This pooch belong to any of you men? I see you eyeballing him, Private Conroy. Better fetch that dog a bone. Looks like he could use it. Step right there. Whose target is that? Hey, boy, go fetch him. He's quite a dog you got there, Conroy. Not even afraid of the sound of gunfire. Well done, soldier.
What in Sam Hill is that dog doing here? This is an army base, not a petting zoo. Whose dog is this?
He's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Wasn't that hard, sir.
Sir, what would you have us do with the dog?
As long as that dog soldiers like that, he's as welcome as any man in this army.
It's gas. We need to sound the alarm. Let's go.
Stubby, go! Go tell them, Stubby, go!
What? Stubby? Okay, gas!
Hi, little dog. Gas! Look! The dog is trying to wound us!
There he is. Stubby!
Thank you for my whole village. Merci à toi.
Trop mignon.
Handy ho!
What is it, Stubby? Don't even think about it. No! Stubby, you'll be okay. Come on. Come on, Stubby.
I confer the honorary rank of Sergeant on Stubby. Sergeant Stubby will wear these stripes.
Hey, Stubby, you outrank me now.